Now I would like to walk you through the software to discover how quick it is to create a news site. First of all, please take a look at the dashboard. From the left menu, you click the Create News Site button to start a new campaign. Follow 3 main steps to complete a news website. Step 1. Add general details of your website. Next, simply enter the title and write a short description of your website. Then you choose the theme you want. Remember to activate the button Enable AI Content for News before you continue to make sure the content will be automatically created and updated by the app. Step 2. Customize your website. Here you add your subdomain and adjust site options such as uploading a logo, adding your business address, and linking social media profiles. You can also change the theme color and select categories for your website. In case you want to build the list and promote it through email marketing, there are automation and autoresponder sections allowing you to integrate your email tool and campaigns with your website. Next, in the Configure Affiliate Link section, you can place the money link under a sentence or word displayed on your website. Step 3. Create the site. After receiving all the inputs, AI Smart News creates the credentials for your site, and you just need to submit it. Now, let's check out what the created site actually looks like. Without writing a single code or creating any piece of content, you have a fully functional news website published with tons of hot news. In the future, you don't even worry about adding more content because AI Smart News will update and post the news on your site automatically. What's more, AI Smart News allows you to manage every single site at its own admin panel. In case you want to edit more details, you click the Details button to go to the admin area. After you sign in to the site admin, you can adjust the site settings, set up advertisements, get traffic analytics, generate leads from your website, add affiliate links to the content, pages, and more. So, in spite of handling the website created for you, AI Smart News still gives you complete freedom to control everything. It's not the kind of leaving just a site for you. Thank you for your attention to my demo video. Hopefully, it helps you understand the product. Don't forget that I have a full review article that provides you with all details of this product. The pricing, upgrades, early bird discount info, as well as the bonuses that I have selected by myself. I include the article link in my description box for you to visit. Simply click and discover.